we do conduct meets quite often, but right now um, we the meets are only pretty close to Chennai, Bangalore, Hyderabad. Mumbai is pretty low, but when we do connect a lot of meets, and the main discussion we do is what's currently people are watching, and we talk about if you have you seen this, or how was the ending, didn't you like it, and we usually just end up chatting. It goes on for like 5 hours. Time just flies. We just have a lot of fun, and yeah, we also do talk about other stuff, movies, games, general stuff. And in Bangalore has an anime club where every week members on every Sundays they actually rent out this place. They go there, they watch an anime, they discuss about the anime, and it's a weekly thing. Soon we should try to implement that in every city, but we should have a guy who can implement this, in a city who has a knowledge and contacts to actually do it. So we will soon try to have anime clubs all over India, and we are trying to someday in the near future to have an all India anime meet. Should be cool, but yeah, let's see.
I guess I have attended more anime meets in Chennai than in Mumbai, to be very honest, because the only anime meet I had in Mumbai was with one or two friends, so I wouldn't really call it a meet as much as it was just friends meeting. So, but it will be nice to have something like what happens in Bangalore over here as well. We don't even need a place. If we could just have someone's house where we could just sit and watch anime in their house, it will be something really nice. Plus, I feel that Anime Sun members and anybody who watches anime should, being people who watch anime, they should be a little more broad-minded. What happens, I have seen in meets, is that people come, they meet, and they end up arguing, saying this, you watch this anime, that's too childish, or you watch that anime, that's too violent, kind of thing. They argue and they go back. So as long as that's going to happen, Anime Sun or any other anime meets will not be that successful, because nobody wants to go to a meet where you're just criticized, especially when you're criticized outside the meet by other people who don't watch anime as it is. So yeah, as I said, we need a little more maturity level for that, and then we can conduct more meets. It will be more fun, more easier. Once it is fun, people will make the time. In Bombay, it's like it's very difficult. I don't know about Chennai, I guess, but in Bombay at least, it's like if I have a holiday, then that other person might not have a holiday, or they might be busy, or they'll say we'll meet at so and so time, and then something comes up and it gets cancelled. And just that traveling, it is too hectic. Like, one of my closest anime friends is a girl in Thane, so she has to come all the way from Thane to Goregaon where I live. She's coming to my house, or I have to go to Thane, and I'd be like, no, a phone conversation is far easier than meeting. You just feel it's too hectic to travel.
That problem is only in Mumbai.
Yeah, right.
I don't think we have that problem in Bangalore or Chennai.
I don't know about Bangalore, but Chennai, I have to depend on you for transportation, or auto guys to charge extra. Yeah, so that's that.
From our experience, we've had several meets. We've got numbers growing. Like our last meet in Chennai had like 15 members. One thing I've noticed in meets is a lot of people online are talkative. They are like they're not stop talking. They come in person. They've not been open their mouth. So sit in a corner, keep quiet. How much of you try to make them talk? Like, yeah, okay, that's about it. And one more thing is, girls are very scared of meets. It's very hard when you call all the members. If they are girls, they would not come. And like we had this incident once where I invited a few girls and never met them before. They had come for the meet, they had sat in another table, and now they never came to us. They ate their food and they went away. And like about 2 months later on, they said, yeah, we came, but we were too scared to come to your table. And we've had stuff like that. Yeah, so like that, people are pretty scared to actually meet in person. But once people get past that, and if you're just going for the pure passion of anime, it's a fun place to be.
It's a question of trust, because when you're going for a meet, if you're going to meet 10 people whom you hardly know, I mean, you just met them online, you have exchanged a few views on anime about a few times, you just don't feel very comfortable meeting them. So yeah, that the comfort level, if you are good friends, then it's fine. If you are reasonably okay friends, then it's fine. When they are virtual strangers who just happen to see the same anime you did, then it's not so fine for girls. And especially because parents are assertive, restrictive. If you tell them, oh, I'm meeting anime friends, they'll be like, oh, you're meeting other weird people like yourself. I think it's a weird obsession, you should stop. So, there are parents who think like that. And again, yeah, Bangalore, I guess there are more meets in Chennai too, for that matter.
Yeah,
girls.
not too many girls. There are, but in Bangalore, the girls don't meet with the guys. The
Okay.
girls have a separate anime meet and the guys have a separate anime meet. Don't ask me why, but that's how it is there. But yeah, there is an anime club there, and it's an every Sunday thing.
So I guess they are a little more developed in regards to needs. Bombay, I don't know. I don't know many guys in Bombay, to be very honest, who like anime. I don't know them very well. I don't know, in fact, I cannot even think of anyone's names, at the top of my head. So I can't really meet them so fast. If they were to conduct a meet, if it's only gonna be about 4 or 5 of us, then I don't mind. But if it's gonna be okay, 15 people are coming, you don't know about 10 to 12 of them. Why don't we meet somewhere far away from your house? Obviously, I'm gonna say no. So that's the problem. Meets, it's a little hard unless you have that level of trust in you. And then again, when you go for your very first meet, the impression you get is important for all your subsequent meets. Like if you go for the first time and meet some people and all they are gonna do is just crib about what you are watching, and they'll be like, oh, you watch this, that's so girlish, or you watch that, I can't believe you're so dumb enough to watch it.
We
You are
never had
just
we
not.
never had that in our meets.
Well, I had it in Chennai, so.
That's with you and Sri with this one on Monday.
Yeah, so the point is, when you have one bad experience in a meet, you don't feel like meeting people again. So we need to grow up a little bit, and then we can think about having meets.